Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to do this look using one brand only, and that brand today is going to be Maybelline. I went through my makeup collection and realized out of the drugstore, most of my products, I mean, it was almost a tie between L'Oreal and Maybelline, but I had a little more Maybelline to do like a full face, so that's why I decided to do today's video. One brand. You can purchase all of these products at a drugstore like Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, Target, and at Ulta. So if you want to see how I get this look using all Maybelline products, then just keep watching. Alright, we're just going to jump right into it, starting out with the face. I have two foundations by Maybelline. The Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It's full coverage, protective makeup with sunscreen in it, SPF 50, which is awesome. It feels so nice on the skin, gives great coverage. This would work, I feel like, for dry skin and oily skin. I used this when I had oily skin, it was amazing. And I just recently got back into it with my current dry skin now, and this is really nice. And then also a classic by them is the Fit Me line. So I got this foundation when I had oily skin, matte and poreless. They have different types in this line. This is normal to oily skin. This is great. So I'm not sure how this is going to work on my dry skin though. So I think I might use this today because I know you can get this everywhere and I haven't used it in a while, so I really want to try this. I'll definitely do another video using this Dream Urban foundation because I love it. So you'll probably see it in my upcoming videos. So we're just going to start out with the matte and poreless. This is in the shade Natural Beige. My skin has changed to dry ever since I went to the dermatologist, and we've been working on controlling my hormonal acne. So it's really controlled now, but I now have dry skin. So just applying this with a damp sponge. Color is really good. So that is about one layer. I'm going to go in and add a little bit more just around the parts of my face that are pretty red and try to build up that coverage. So it seems like it's a nice, if you just do one layer, it'd be nice, comfortable, and light on the skin, a light coverage. And it's building up pretty well. And I'm fortunate now that my skin's healing. I don't need a lot of coverage. I kind of just use foundation to even out the skin tone, cover up any like dark spots, match my face to my body because I don't let my face get any sun or color. It's not super covering my redness and breakouts, but all right. So that was about 2 layers. Feels nice. Next, we're going to go in with concealer. So obviously they have the Fit Me collection concealer. They also have another popular one is the Instant Age Rewind multi-use concealer. And I also have the newer product by them. I think it's kind of newer. The SuperStay Activewear Concealer. It says it to 30 hours. I have used this before. It is very light coverage, very liquidy. It's not super full coverage. I think I'll save this for another video. I'm going to just stick with the Fit Me collection, and I'm going to go in with the Fit Me concealer. So I have vanilla, the lightest, then my middle shade is light 15, and then my darkest shade is sand. Let's see. Okay, so this is light number 15. This seems like a good color for me currently. I do really like this concealer. It's great because it doesn't feel heavy. It blends out awesome, and I feel like it's really comfortable on the skin. And I'm just going to blend it out with a sponge. Okay, so it's not super full coverage, but it's really comfortable, blends out great. I'm just going to go on a little bit more. I'm going to use the lightest shade I have just to like brighten up under the eyes. Just a little bit. Okay. Next, I'm actually going to do a little bit of cream contour. I do have a contour stick by them. It's the Master Contour V-shaped duo stick. Just a contour stick. I never really use the highlighting side. I'm going to use this just to cream contour a little bit. Now that my skin's more dry, I'm finding that cream contour is working a little bit better to use just because powder contour can add even more dryness. So, and I don't use as much bronzer or contour like I did in my previous videos. I was watching some of my older videos and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been literally like bronze the whole side of my face. I'm like, I don't know if you're into that. Me, I'm not into that anymore. Try to just kind of stick with staying a little more natural. Next, we're going to use some powder to set everything. So the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, these are awesome. I have 2 shades, Fair Light and then Light Medium. I'm going to go in with the Light Medium, and I'm just going to set a lot of this. Ooh, this looks kind of dark. Oh, that's a little dark. Just kidding. I'm going to go in with the light. I'll use the Light Medium all over my face. How about that? So I'm just going to pat it, and then this is a really nice powder. That's pretty good for my skin, but under my eyes, I want a little bit of brightness. So I'm going to go in with Fair Light number 10. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and kind of buff it all away. Next, we're going to move on to bronzer, blush, highlighter. I actually got this really awesome palette in the Master Contour collection. It's nice. It has a contour, which can also be used as a nice bronzing shade, a blush, and a highlighter. And then I also have the beloved Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I feel like this is a fan favorite. This is so beautiful. Love this. I'm just going to go in with this, bronze up the face, add some blush, and I'm going to start out with this highlighter, show you what it looks like, and then I will add the Molten Master Chrome Pretty Highlighter. Alright, so palette is awesome. It's great for traveling. It's easy. The highlighter is really nice. It's very skin-like. It's not too blinding, not too, dramatic. So that's an awesome palette. I really recommend this if you travel a lot or if you just want, unless you just want everything all in one. This is perfect. I am just going to go in with a little bit of this. This is like a nice light gold shade. Super pretty. You only need 2 products for this eye look. One, a highlighter, which I'm going to use the Molten Gold Master Chrome highlighter, and a bronzer or a contour shade, and I'm going to use the one from this palette. I'm going to zoom you in. So we're just going to give ourselves a nice crease with that bronzer shade in here, the contour shade, with like a big fluffy brush. One of my favorite tricks is when I'm crushed on time and I want to put a little something on my eye. Just throw the bronzer in the crease and a little bit over the lid. Fluff it out. And then add highlighter to the lid. It's amazing. Be surprised. Okay. And then I'm just going to take a little bit smaller brush and just add it to the underline. To the lower lash line. Next, you can either use your finger or you can use like a flat brush, and we're gonna apply that highlighter to the lid. You can even wet your brush a little to get high impact for that color. This is going on dry pretty well. So I just stay on that lid. I don't go higher than the crease where we put that bronzer because we don't want to take away from that definition. That was quick and easy. Next, I'm gonna just add some mascara to the upper and lower lash line. So I don't have it, I'm all out, but I definitely love their Lash Sensational Mascara. It's a nice curved wand and it works really good for my eyelashes because they're curved and long and it kind of just like glides up. That is a really great mascara. But the one I have today, Maybelline Sky High Mascara, I actually really love this too. This is awesome, separates and lengthens lashes. So I'm going to apply this. So right there is one coat. How pretty is that? All right, mascara's on, face is pretty much done. Really nice natural look. Since I have dry skin now, I can kind of start to feel it becoming a little dry. Overall though, it looks really good. It looks skin-like. It is nice light coverage. It's definitely not full coverage. It is light. It's pretty smoothing. Definitely in love. That setting powder is really nice. Foundation is a nice matte. It's definitely a true matte. It's not full coverage like I said, but it feels pretty comfortable on the skin, but again, a little drying, but that's because I have dry skin now, and if I were to use Fit Me again, I would probably want to go into like, I think they have a smooth and dewy line, something that's a little more hydrating. I would probably buy that nowadays, but if I still had my oily skin, this would be perfect. This mascara is bomb. Everything is awesome. Finally, we're going to do a lip. Today, I want to show you their new SuperStay Vinyl Ink liquid lipstick, I think it is. This is not going to go with my eye makeup, but I want to show you this. I picked one up in 35 Cheeky. I think it's supposed to last so many hours, and it's like a shine liquid lipstick that lasts. These are really comfortable. They smell good. They applied so nice. It doesn't feel super drying on the lips, which is really good because I get dry crusty lips all the time. This is a full face by Maybelline products that you can definitely purchase at Ulta, Walmart, or CVS, Walgreens, stores like that. I made sure that you can buy all these products. So yeah, that's the completed look. Make sure you hit subscribe down below so you can see my next videos I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.